Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Smoky Mountain Traders. This is Shelby. Today we're going to be checking out this 1973 Ford Mustang Convertible. If you have any questions at the end of this video, make sure to call us or email us at any time. Come on up and let's check it out. This car has had a stunning restoration and everything in the front looks like new. The grille is beautiful and it has a painted front bumper with a painted spoiler. Looking down the side, you'll notice that the body is aero straight. As we make our way around the driver's side, we can see that the body lines flow perfectly from the front to the rear. Come on up and let's check out the interior. This Mustang features the white interior that was installed new at the time of restoration. As you look across the dash, you can see all the gauges look excellent along with the dash pad. It has the factory steering wheel with the wood grain accents and ties in perfectly to the door panels that are done in white. You'll also notice it has bucket seats with the console that houses the automatic shifter. Now that we checked out that beautiful interior, let's make our way around the rest of the vehicle. Out back, it has had a bumper installed with the rear exiting tailpipes. All of the trim and lenses are in new condition as well. As we make our way around the passenger side, I'm going to take a step back so you can check out the stance on this Ford Mustang. The convertible top is power, and you can see that it has the white boot to match the interior. This Mustang is stunning with the two-tone black and pewter color combo that has been buffed and polished to a gorgeous finish. Every piece of trim has a brilliant shine and all the glass is amazing too. It features the dual mirrors with the remote driver mirror. To finish off the stance is sitting on the 15-inch Magnum 500 wheels with the BF Goodrich Radial T tires. Now that we checked out the exterior, come on up and let's look at what's underneath the hood of this 73 Mustang. It's powered by the 351 Cleveland engine that looks just as clean as the day it came off the showroom floor. The fenders and the firewall are all rock solid. The 351 is set up with the correct style intake and the Motorcraft 2 barrel carb. It also comes with power steering and power brakes with the disc on the front. When you look under this Ford, you'll notice that all the pans and frames are in great condition. For exhaust, it has manifolds with dual pipes and Flowmaster style turbos. Under the front, it has new ball joints installed with the new end link bushings, and it also has the shock installed to all four corners. Thank you all for checking out this beautiful Mustang with me. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us or email us at any time. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.